Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shanti and I make videos on motherhood, marriage, weight loss, all that fun stuff. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually talking to you from the future because I filmed this video yesterday and I forgot to do an intro. But today's video is a tackle your to-do list. I'm just going to show you kind of what a typical day looks like. What my to-do list looks like. It's extra special because it's a collaboration with my friend Dream. She has a YouTube channel that has motherhood, lifestyle, decor content. Her home is so beautiful. I'm always watching her stories and seeing her snag these really great deals from like Joann's and Michael's and Hobby Lobby. She's a mother of two. She has a 17-year-old son and she has a 3-year-old daughter who is just precious. I love how she dresses her in all the like Disney and princess themed clothes. So you guys will love her as much as I do. Don't forget to check out her video when you're done here, and don't forget to subscribe over here if you are coming from Dream's channel. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So this is my to-do list so far. I typically write a to-do list the night before, and then when Soleil takes her first nap, I will start like going through doing the things that I know I'll be able to do within like an hour, and then I'll add things on if I need to do things during like both of the girls' nap, like the middle of the day nap or after they go to sleep, or if I just have things come to mind, because my to-do lists are never ending. So I'm going to like wash and cut up some fruit and veggies just for like snacks, and for me and the girls during the day I just have to have that stuff prepped. I want to wipe down our ceiling fan because it is so disgusting, embarrassing, and dirty. I want to attempt to declutter and organize our like hallway bathroom linen closet because it's out of control and I haven't done anything to it for like 6 months. And then I want to, if I can get to it, declutter under the kitchen sink and kind of get rid of some stuff that I've been seeing under there that's taking up some space, and 1 load of laundry. So yes. So I got the very first thing checked off my list. I just cut up, I can't even talk. I just cut up some cucumbers and cut up some strawberries to add to this. I usually just keep our berries in here, and I'll put like a paper towel at the bottom to catch any water since I soak them before I put them in here. So yeah, that's done, and now I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this ceiling fan. It's so disgusting. Please don't judge me, guys. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is so bad. I always forget to wipe down this ceiling fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some Lysol. That looks a little bit better. Not completely like organized, but got rid of some stuff, made some space. I can actually see what I'm looking for, and I might get rid of a few more things this weekend and add some like storage or like a shelf over on here on this side to make a little bit more space. It's the next day, but I did get everything checked off of my list yesterday besides laundry, which you just saw me start today, and I did not declutter the linen closet because that is like a couple-hour project, and it was just crazy hectic yesterday. That it's not something I can start and have it like laying out everywhere because Soleil will just destroy it. Like I can't. So I'm thinking I'm going to make that an entirely separate video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like a linen closet makeover or like clean out. But I also got a few things last night from Target because I didn't put this on my list, but it was in my like mental list that I had a few things I wanted to pick up from Target. And I actually found some of the things that I like was hoping for. So I'm just going to show you guys this before I close out the video. I picked up this chore chart, which I'm so excited about. It's only $5. I was looking on like Etsy and Amazon, and they were like $20 plus. So I'm thinking I'm just going to like use some command strips or just hang it because it has this. I'm not sure, just because I'm not sure of the spot. But I'm thinking I'm going to put this up there, and actually now I'm kind of thinking I might want to make it lower so she can check it off herself. But either way, I'm just going to start putting some daily chores on there for her because I really want her to kind of like learn some responsibility. And then I also got myself this to-do list, which I'm so excited about and how perfect for this video, to have it like bigger and be able to just write it out and visually see it. I think it'll be a lot better, and I can just keep these as like my grocery list. I also got this from the Dollar Spot, which is the first day of school little like chalkboard reversible signs. This was $5 as well, and I'm excited to use this. Even though we do plan to homeschool, I still want to get like those cute pictures, so I think that'll be so cute. And I got this little tassel garland, these cups. These were $3, this was $5. And I got this little, I don't know what it's called, but just like a little pour, because I'm going to do like a little lemonade stand and take photos of the girls. I think it'll be really cute. I'm going to have this as like the banner. And then we also picked up a few things from Dollar Tree. So I got this little sign. It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. This would go cute on a little like tiered sign or just anywhere. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's really cute and little. $1, of course. They had this like tie-dye scrunchie. They had a lot of these little scrunchies, so I had to grab that. Elmar picked out her coloring book. Before we do school, I usually let her sit and color for 5 to 10 minutes, just to kind of get like in that wind down mode of we're sitting down, we're going to work on school, some worksheets.
No, you work on these.
And then we got baby body wash for the girls. And I got this little cheap hole puncher. Not sure if it's going to work, but I want to make some flashcards and kind of put some yarn through it and then be able to flip through. I kind of like to make things myself rather than buy them when it comes to school because we can make it together and I feel like she learns while we're making them. And then I also got some colorful flashcards. So yeah, that's all that we got from Target yesterday. That's all for my Tackle Your To-Do List video. Let me know if you guys like these, and I will continue to film them because I typically don't do much cleaning here on my channel. Don't forget to check out Dream's channel and let her know in the comments that I sent you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!